Imagine your legacy woven across continents, wealth spanning multiple countries, cultures, and legal systems. Welcome to International Estate Planning, Asset Protection Strategies for International Estates. In this episode, you'll discover how to armor your fortune, from offshore trusts and diversified structures to smart legal frameworks and insurance solutions. It's not just about protecting wealth, it's about empowering your heirs to thrive in any scenario. Let's dive into creating a legacy that's unstoppable, unshakable, and truly global. Asset protection techniques for high net worth individuals with international assets. Asset protection techniques for high net worth individuals with international assets are crucial in safeguarding wealth and minimizing risks associated with cross-border holdings. In the context of international estate planning, several strategies can be employed to protect assets effectively. Here are some key techniques. Asset segregation. High net worth individuals can separate their assets into different legal entities such as trusts, corporations, or limited liability companies, LLCs, to compartmentalize risk. By segregating assets, they can shield certain holdings from potential threats while maintaining control and access to others. 2. Offshore trusts. Establishing trusts in offshore jurisdictions with robust asset protection laws can offer enhanced security and confidentiality. Offshore trusts can help shield assets from creditors, lawsuits, and other legal claims, providing a layer of defense against potential risks. 3. International insurance. High net worth individuals can consider international insurance policies to protect their assets from various risks, such as political instability, currency fluctuations, and expropriation. These insurance products can offer coverage against unforeseen events that may impact their wealth. 4. Diversification. Diversifying assets across different countries and investment vehicles can reduce concentration risk and enhance overall asset protection. By spreading assets geographically and across diverse asset classes, individuals can mitigate the impact of localized risks on their wealth. 5. Legal structuring. Working with legal advisors to structure international assets in a tax-efficient and asset-protective manner is essential for high net worth individuals. Utilizing legal entities, such as holding companies or family offices, can provide a framework for managing assets effectively while minimizing exposure to risks. 6. Estate freezing techniques. Implementing estate freezing strategies can help preserve wealth for future generations while protecting assets from potential threats. Techniques such as gifting, estate freezes, and family partnerships can be utilized to lock in asset values and reduce estate tax liabilities. 7. Cross-border planning. High net worth individuals with international assets must engage in comprehensive cross-border planning to address legal, tax, and regulatory considerations in multiple jurisdictions. By understanding the implications of different legal systems and tax regimes, individuals can develop tailored asset protection strategies that align with their overall estate planning goals. High net worth individuals with international assets can benefit from employing a combination of asset protection techniques to safeguard their wealth effectively. By leveraging the expertise of legal and financial professionals specializing in international estate planning, individuals can navigate the complexities of cross-border wealth management and ensure the preservation of assets for future generations. Offshore trusts, foundations, and other vehicles for safeguarding wealth. Offshore trusts, foundations, and other vehicles are essential tools in international estate planning for individuals seeking to protect and preserve their assets across borders. These structures provide a range of benefits, including asset protection, tax efficiency, privacy, and succession planning. Offshore trusts. Offshore trusts are one of the most common and effective vehicles for safeguarding wealth. By transferring assets to a trustee in a jurisdiction with favorable trust laws, individuals can shield their assets from creditors, legal disputes, and excessive taxation. Offshore trusts also offer flexibility in managing and distributing assets according to the settler's wishes, ensuring the preservation of wealth for future generations. Offshore foundations. Foundations are another popular wealth preservation tool, particularly in civil law jurisdictions. Similar to trusts, foundations allow individuals to transfer assets to a separate legal entity managed by a foundation council. Foundations offer greater control over assets and can serve various purposes, such as charitable giving, family governance, and asset protection. By establishing an offshore foundation, individuals can protect their wealth from potential risks and ensure its long-term sustainability. Other vehicles. In addition to trusts and foundations, there are various other structures available for safeguarding wealth offshore. These may include private family companies, limited liability partnerships, and hybrid entities tailored to meet specific estate planning objectives. Each vehicle offers unique advantages in terms of asset protection, tax optimization, and succession planning, allowing individuals to customize their wealth preservation strategies based on their circumstances and goals. Key considerations. When utilizing offshore structures for safeguarding wealth, it is essential to consider the legal, regulatory, and tax implications in both the home jurisdiction and the chosen offshore jurisdiction. Compliance with international laws and reporting requirements is critical to avoid legal risks and ensure the legitimacy of asset protection strategies. Working with experienced legal and financial advisors is highly recommended to navigate the complexities of international estate planning and maximize the benefits of offshore trusts, foundations, and other vehicles. Offshore trusts, foundations, and other vehicles play a crucial role in international estate planning by providing individuals with effective tools to safeguard their wealth across borders. By leveraging these structures strategically and in compliance with relevant laws, individuals can secure their assets, optimize tax efficiency, and ensure the long-term preservation of their wealth for future generations. Mitigating risks associated with political and economic instability in foreign jurisdictions. International estate planning involves addressing various challenges, including political and economic instability in foreign jurisdictions. Such instability can lead to uncertainties regarding property rights, succession laws, tax regimes, and overall asset protection. Mitigating these risks requires a strategic approach that considers the unique characteristics of each jurisdiction involved. Below are some key strategies to mitigate risks associated with political and economic instability in foreign jurisdictions. Diversification of assets. One of the primary strategies to mitigate risks associated with political and economic instability is to diversify assets across different jurisdictions. By holding assets in multiple countries, individuals can reduce their exposure to any single country's economic or political risks. 2. Understanding local laws and regulations. It is essential to have a thorough understanding of the legal framework in the foreign jurisdictions where assets are held. This includes knowledge of property rights, inheritance laws, taxation, and any other regulations that may impact estate planning decisions. 3. Engaging local legal and financial advisors. Working with experienced local legal and financial advisors is crucial for navigating the complexities of international estate planning. Local advisors can provide insights into the specific risks and opportunities in a particular jurisdiction and help develop tailored strategies to mitigate risks. 4. Utilizing trust structures. Trust structures can be valuable tools for protecting assets across borders, especially in jurisdictions with political and economic instability. By establishing trusts in stable jurisdictions, individuals can safeguard their assets and ensure that they are managed according to their wishes. 5. Insurance and risk management. Insurance products, such as political risk insurance and asset protection insurance, can provide an additional layer of protection against unforeseen events in foreign jurisdictions. These products can help mitigate financial losses resulting from political instability, expropriation, or other risks. 6. Regular monitoring and review. Estate planning strategies should be regularly reviewed and adjusted to reflect changes in political and economic conditions in foreign jurisdictions. Periodic reviews with legal and financial advisors can help ensure that estate plans remain effective and up to date. 7. Maintaining flexibility. Given the dynamic nature of political and economic conditions in foreign jurisdictions, it is important to maintain flexibility in estate planning strategies. This may involve incorporating contingency plans or exit strategies to adapt to changing circumstances. Mitigating risks associated with political and economic instability in foreign jurisdictions requires a proactive and holistic approach to international estate planning. By diversifying assets, understanding local laws, engaging local advisors, utilizing trust structures, managing risks through insurance, and maintaining flexibility, individuals can protect their assets across borders and ensure the successful transfer of wealth to future generations. Importance of diversification and risk management in international estate planning. Diversification and risk management play a critical role in international estate planning by helping individuals protect their assets across borders effectively. The significance of incorporating these elements into estate planning strategies cannot be understated, especially in today's globalized and interconnected world. 1. Protection against economic volatility. International markets are subject to various economic and political factors that can lead to volatility and uncertainty. By diversifying assets across different jurisdictions, individuals can reduce the risk of being overly exposed to a single market or currency. This approach can help safeguard wealth against economic downturns or geopolitical events in any particular country. 2. Preservation of wealth. Diversification can also aid in preserving wealth for future generations. By spreading assets across different asset classes, geographies, and currencies, individuals can ensure that their estate remains resilient in the face of changing market conditions. This can help provide a stable financial foundation for heirs and beneficiaries, regardless of where they are located. 3. Mitigation of legal and regulatory risks. International estate planning involves navigating complex legal and regulatory frameworks in multiple jurisdictions. Diversification can help mitigate risks associated with changes in tax laws, inheritance rules, or other regulations that may impact the transfer of assets. By diversifying assets and holding them in different locations, individuals can adapt to evolving legal landscapes more effectively. 4. Wealth preservation and succession planning. Effective risk management strategies are essential for ensuring the smooth transfer of assets to future generations. By diversifying assets and implementing risk mitigation techniques, individuals can safeguard their wealth and facilitate a seamless transition of assets to heirs and beneficiaries. This can help prevent potential disputes or challenges to the estate plan, ensuring a more orderly distribution of assets. 5. Long-term financial security. Diversification and risk management are essential components of a comprehensive estate plan aimed at securing long-term financial stability. By carefully considering asset allocation, risk tolerance, and estate planning goals, individuals can create a robust strategy that protects their wealth and minimizes potential risks. This approach can help individuals achieve their financial objectives while safeguarding their assets for the future. Diversification and risk management are crucial aspects of international estate planning that can help individuals protect their assets, preserve wealth, and ensure a successful transfer of assets to future generations. By incorporating these principles into their estate planning strategies, individuals can navigate the complexities of the global financial landscape with confidence and security. You've taken the leap. Your wealth is no longer just yours. It's your legacy traveling across borders and lifetimes. By layering offshore trusts, structures, insurance, and diversified holdings, and by embracing adaptability in the face of instability, you're building an inheritance that transcends politics, market swings, and global crises. This is more than protection. It's empowerment for your heirs, clarity for your intentions, and peace in every jurisdiction. The world is unpredictable, but your legacy doesn't have to be. Rise, shield, thrive.